Imagine a world where the ordinary becomes extraordinary, where the mundane transforms into the marvelous, and where everyday items can create the most fascinating phenomena. This is the world of science, a realm where curiosity and creativity collide, producing the most intriguing experiments. So, buckle up for a journey into the surprising and the spectacular as we delve into 30 unique and interesting science experiments. Our first experiment is a classic: the erupting volcano. Assemble a cone-shaped structure using clay or paper mache. In a separate container, mix together baking soda, a few drops of food coloring, and a dash of dish soap. Pour this mixture into your volcano, and then add vinegar. The result? A colorful, foaming eruption that mimics the natural wonder of a volcanic eruption. The next experiment brings the northern lights into your living room. Fill a glass container with warm water. In a separate bowl, mix cold water with a spoonful of cornstarch and a few drops of different food coloring. Pour this mixture into the glass of warm water and watch as swirling, colorful patterns emerge, resembling the aurora borealis. The third experiment is the magic milk firework. Pour a thin layer of milk into a dish. Add drops of different food coloring to the milk. Dip a cotton swab into dish soap, and then touch the dyed milk with the swab. Watch as the colors explode and swirl, creating a spectacle that's as captivating as a firework display. Moving forward, we have the dancing raisins. Fill a clear glass with soda water. Drop in a handful of raisins and observe as they begin to dance and bob around, propelled by the soda's carbon dioxide bubbles. The fifth experiment is the invisible ink. Write a message on a piece of paper using lemon juice. Let it dry completely. Then hold the paper near a heat source, like a light bulb or a hairdryer. The lemon juice oxidizes and turns brown, revealing your secret message. These experiments demonstrate a variety of scientific principles, from chemical reactions in the erupting volcano and magic milk firework, to the effects of temperature and density in the northern lights and dancing raisins experiments, and finally, the oxidation process in the invisible ink experiment. Each experiment is a testament to the wonders of science, showing how simple ingredients and a dash of curiosity can create mesmerizing results. Whether it's mimicking natural phenomena like volcanoes and northern lights, creating a dazzling display of colors with milk and food coloring, making raisins dance with soda water, or revealing secret messages with lemon juice and heat, these experiments bring science to life. Remember, science isn't just about understanding the world around us, it's about exploring, experimenting, and experiencing the wonder and magic that's all around us. So don't just watch these experiments, try them out. Turn your kitchen into a laboratory, your living room into a research center, and let your curiosity lead you on an extraordinary scientific adventure. This concludes our journey into the world of science experiments. But remember, this is just the beginning. There are countless experiments waiting for you to discover. So stay curious, keep experimenting, and let the magic of science captivate you.